talking about radials and we're talking about V12s, straight 4s. It's incredible to work here. I'm Corporal John Newell and I work at 100 Squadron as the aircraft technician on the warbirds. So this is the CA-18 Mustang, which is pretty much the P-51 Mustang, but it's the Australian-built version, which was built in Fisherman's Bend in Melbourne. So its home is at Point Cook, which is a very close area from where it was originally built. I was actually a builder before I joined the Air Force, and aircraft maintaining wasn't something that I was looking at, but when I went through the recruiting process, they didn't have what I wanted, so I decided to go into aircraft maintaining. I'd had a little bit to do with cars back then, not much, but you know, I knew the basics, so I sort of thought I had a general idea of the differences between a car and an aeroplane, and I was totally wrong. The challenges of working with these aircraft is parts. Because of their age and the fact that no one actually makes a lot of the parts for these aircraft anymore, they're a lot harder to source. We're more or less sourcing aircraft parts that are old stock, and we revitalise them to making them serviceable for use on the aircraft. There's a lot of things that we need to remember, and these aircraft showcase a lot of those experiences off. It's amazing just to see the same technology still being used today in modern piston aircraft. It's important that we keep these aircraft flying for the history of the Air Force.